Hey, YouTube, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to test your new battery that you install. Last time I did the unbox of the new battery and show you guys on how to install the new battery. And unfortunately, when I actually did the test on the new battery, it doesn't last long. So I complained to the seller, and then the seller sent me another battery right here. But I told them to be sure to test out the new battery because I don't want to experience the same problem. So hopefully they test it out with the load. So let's go ahead and test out with the load with this first one that I got. So yeah, this is my old battery that I removed from the MacBook Pro, which is had about 400 something cycle counts. So as you can see, I'm gonna press it right here. I just unplugged it, so it should show 100%. So it shows a full bar right now. Let me enter the password. So you can see it's 100% right now. Well, how you want to do the test load is to make your keyboard the brightness and your display the brightness all the way full or the highest. Alright, and you're going to watch the battery level see jump down so quickly. I'm going to do the screen recording right now. Alright, so the battery's at the 100%. You see how it jumped down to 99% right now. What happened was that this battery, when I receive it, it shows 79%. And while I was doing the video, it jumped down to 78 and then decreased down to 76%. And within a couple minutes, all of a sudden, it jumped down to 7%. So the battery is not supposed to do that. So I complained to the seller, and then the seller told me I need to reset the BIOS, which is press Command Option and then P and R when you reboot your computer. So anyway, let's go ahead and let that run for a little bit and then see. And as you can see, the cycle count, go to click on the Apple icon right there, and then about this Mac, and then go to your system report, and then click on power. So it shows right here the cycle count is 2. Fully charged, no. So but when it was 100%, it shows fully charged, and then yes. So let's try to check on Safari and do some just a speed test right now. You see how the fan kick in, and then it is so loud already. That's why I don't like the old MacBook Pro. because when I'm trying to do the ASMR or video recording, the fan kick in and then just mess up all this recording. And a lot of you guys, the audience or the viewers, don't want to listen to this loud, nasty fan noise. So anyway, while I was doing that, she's jumping down kind of quickly, 95% right now. Let's let it sit for a little bit, and we're going to go to unbox a new battery, see if there's any difference of the battery. So this is the new one that I got, and I'm going to unbox it again. So yeah, it seems I come with the same tools. It come with the star screwdriver, and then zero Phillips size screwdriver, and then a tri-point screwdriver. Come with the foam, and then here's the battery. I don't know. I don't think they test out this battery because it's still sealed. Yeah, so I don't think they test out this battery. And I guess there's a sticker right here. You can mark on the date that you install it. Yeah, so it's like a 2020 or 2021, and then the month. Yeah, I don't think that they test out this one, so I don't know. Alright, so far it's jumped down to 92%. So yeah, I'm not sure it's gonna jump down to 7% after 74%, or it did the second time on me was at about 60%, jumped down to 7% right away. So, and then that's what happened to my old one when I was fully charged. It jumped down very quickly, and I can barely use it. So, and normally that's caused by if you keep on plugging your AC plug or the charge plug while your battery is already full, and you keep on letting it sit there and keep on overcharging, and sometimes your battery will expand if you overcharge, and then it gets heats up, and then that will cause it. So yeah, this old one is no good, so somehow the third time it seems like it's holding a little bit longer charge, so because it was acting weird and crazy from 74% down to 7%, and then 60 something. See, it's down to 89 already from 91. So I'm not sure it's gonna do the same thing around 70 something or 60 something, and then I jumped down to 7% instantly. So and I will need to do the test on this one as well, the new one that they sent it. Well, first of all, I need to fully charge it first, and then after that, let it drain, discharge, and then fully charge, discharge for like probably 3 times. Yeah, so it jumped down to 88% already. So you might want to do is just play like a YouTube video too, so see if it's drained down even quicker and stuff. So I don't know, so I'm not going to waste you guys' time and go down to like 70 something percent or 60%. So yeah, I will let you guys know and keep you guys updated. But that was a problem that I had. So anyway, hopefully you guys like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And then this is how to test your either your MacBook Air, your MacBook, or your MacBook Pro for the new battery to test it with all these lows on there. And thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.